Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to start the process by creating a Zoom meeting. And what we can do is we can either start a meeting by going to this link to host a meeting right now and then distribute the link, or we can schedule a meeting for the future, determining when that time is going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to click schedule a meeting, and then we're going to write in all of the identifying information. Now, one thing we can do is we can make this a recurring meeting. So if this meeting is going to be once a week or even once a day, we can do that by clicking this link. For the purposes of this video, we're going to take this task off. We can also require registration for this meeting. So for example, we can click this link and then individuals will need to register before they can attend. You can determine upfront whether video cameras will be available. So for example, what we can do is we can turn on this task. This will mean that video cameras will be available for the host. We can also have video available for the participants. We can then determine how individuals are going to be able to connect. If we determine that we want them only to connect by telephone, we can do that, or by computer audio. It's likely that you'll want both to be available, so we're going to leave this as the default setting. Now again, if you're going to be distributing the link and individuals are going to register, some of these things that you'll be doing on a case-by-case basis. If you want individuals to be able to join the room before you get there, you can click Enable Join Before Host. We're going to untick this. If you only want discussion to occur when you're there, you can click Mute Participants upon entry. And you can use the long meeting ID, but again, if you're going to be distributing the link, you don't have to do this. Now, what you can do is you can enable a waiting room so that when individuals come, they can then be part of a waiting room instead of seeing the standard Zoom screen. Now, because we're using a paid plan, we can determine that we want this meeting to be recorded automatically. We can say that we want it recorded in the cloud, or we can have it to be recorded on our personal computer. If you want individuals to be available to be a host in order to take over the meeting when you are not there, you can do that by putting in their email address here in this area. Once you have it, you can then click Save. What you can then do is click this link to copy the invitation, and then you can copy this invitation into an email. And then you can distribute this information. If you just want to distribute the link, you can copy this link and then you can distribute the link to individuals to attend the meeting. Now, when the individual gets the link, they're going to be asked to download information to their personal computer in order to attend the Zoom meeting. Now, in the next video, we will start the process of starting the meeting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.